All right, we are back. So, Rockets AI, Rockets Ultimate, inputting a prompt here that clearly defines the who plus what plus need, which, to me is foundational. I'm a social media manager and I need a 30-day Instagram content calendar for a boutique fitness studio in Charlotte, North Carolina that offers bar and Pilates classes to women over 40 in suburban areas who want low impact strength training and community. So Rockets comes out with this prompt. To execute it, you just copy that right there and go to your AI and paste it in. Pretty easy. So I already did both. I've started with this one right here, which is our basic prompt. And, honestly, it's probably better than how most people prompt. And of course, I put the Rockets one on the right-hand side here. So I am in Claude, which I feel is considerably better than ChatGPT anyways. So in normal fashion, this is going to give you a 30-day Instagram calendar. Decent, nothing groundbreaking, but this is the normal. I mean, this is typically what people get all the time. And again, this is a decent prompt. It's not exceptional, but it's could be a lot better. So the key to Rockets is taking that prompt and making it a lot better. And it does over here on the right-hand side. So we have a lot more strategy, content strategy. We have strategic foundation. We have content pillars. And then we get into the actual calendar. So if you compare the right side to the left, it's a little bit different. So it's foundational, it's structured. You have a better end goal. You have a better overall strategy. So one of the things that I noticed with some of the users that are on the free trial is if they want changes to the output in whatever AI they're doing, they'll go back into Rockets and talk to Rockets like they're talking to ChatGPT or Claude or Grok or whatever. Don't do that. Rockets isn't built that way. Rockets is just built and created to give you the best possible prompt to get you the best possible output in any AI that you're using. So just keep that as it is, and Rockets will serve you a lot better. So again, Rockets is not designed to keep talking to you at all. It's just designed to deliver the best possible prompt. So I'm going to start doing videos on some of the image. We'll start out with regular Rockets image. Again, for Rockets Pro, you get Rockets Ultimate and Rockets Image, which predominantly that's going to be good for most of the public. Rockets Ultimate Plus and Rockets Image Enhanced is going to be for people that have multiple platforms. So if they have access to ChatGPT, Claude, maybe Perplexity, I call them the serious AI users. But if you're pretty basic and you just have a subscription to one, maybe two, the professional level is going to be pretty much enough for you. And the cost on that is $9.99 per month.